Come test drive the 2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, brake assist, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, passenger vanity mirror, split bench seat, steel wheels, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires rear all season, tires front all season. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.